Skyhawk 12604 in the run up short of 26 right and pop up. We're ready to go. Left downwind 2, him at Ryan.
Skyhawk 12604, Chino Airport is requested. Runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right for Skyhawk 604.
Champ, 25 Echo, Cessna's departing prior to Rebel.
Inside, 25 Echo.
Biplane 870, stay on course heading.
And Skyhawk 604, we're going to Cessna in front of us now.
Cessna 604, cancel takeoff, clearance, hold position.
Cancel takeoff, full position, Skyhawk 604.
And CNO Tower, Cessna 767 Charlie Lima, holding 26 right.
767 Charlie Lima, Chino Tower, left turn out approved, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Left turn approved, 26 right, clear for takeoff, Cessna 767 Charlie Lima.
Champ, 25 Echo, 2 Cessnas will depart prior to Rebel.
Both inside, 25 Echo.
Biplane 870, what's your on-course heading, sir?
Heading by,
Lights, camera, action.
Over to Diamond Barn back.
Roger.
Okay, lights, camera, action, good.
Cessna 12604, follow the Cessna in your left turn, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, we'll follow the Cessna in the left turn for Skyhawk 604. Alright, clear. Clear left and right. And lights, camera, action, we're good. Mixture's rich.
Cessna 7 Charlie Lima, traffic 12 o'clock and about 2 miles westbound for Chino Hills is a biplane at 1,200 indicated. In your left turn, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Welcome, traffic, left turn, contact SoCal, Cessna 767 Charlie Lima, good day.
Okay, here we go. Okay, there's the center line, here we go. Engine ints are good. There's the airspeed, 55. Here's engine ints are good, positive rate. Oh, there he is right there.
Cessna 604, do you have the Cessna in the left hand turn southeast line?
604, traffic in sight.
604, follow them in your left turn, contact SoCal departure. Additional traffic over the 71 freeway, southwestbound is a biplane at 1,300 indicated edge 12 o'clock.
604, copy on the traffic and we'll go to order SoCal for 604, thanks.
4742, helicopter 143, Golf Kilo.
Number 90 Kilo, traffic from factory, your climb is approved.
Climb is approved, 902.
For 143 Golf Kilo, your radar contact 12 miles southwest of Brackett Airport, the altimeter 3017, say altitude.
For 143 Golf Kilo, sorry.
Yes, the altimeter 3017, say altitude.
2.6.
Thank you. Number 6 Romeo, turn left heading 280, practice approach approved.
280, practice approach approved for 6 Romeo. Should we direct Paradise after we do the low approach?
6 Romeo, affirmative.
Roger, what's going to be our altitude for the holding though?
Probably be 35, but I'll make that decision once you're airborne.
Chino Tower, Cherokee 7085 Romeo, over the 91 and 15 interchange, headed for Chino Airport, touch and go landing, request landing instructions.
625 Echo, runway 26 right, clear for the option, number 2, follow Cessna short final.
Clear for the option, runway 26 right, number 2, Champ 25 Echo.
Cherokee 7085 Romeo, Chino Tower, enter a left base, runway 26 left.
Cherokee 7085 Romeo,
Hold on.
short base 26 left. Left base 26 left, David Ryan.
Thank you. Cessna 604, turn right at Kilo, contact ground point 6.
Right at Kilo over to ground point 6 for Skyhawk 604. 26 Radar Kilo, taxi to Chino Aviation.
Cessna 12604, Chino Airport, taxi to Alpha Kilo, good day.
Alpha Kilo to parking, so long for 604.